Natural light plays a major role in how a home feels, and in a city as vibrant as New Orleans, homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to bring more of that light indoors. One of the most effective and visually striking solutions is the installation of large picture windows. These expansive windows don't just brighten rooms, they transform the entire living experience. Maximizing sunlight in a unique climate, New Orleans enjoys abundant sunshine throughout the year, making natural light an asset that should never go to waste. Large picture windows are designed with wide, unobstructed glass panes that allow sunlight to flood interior spaces from morning to evening. Unlike traditional windows with grids or operable panels, picture windows provide a clear, uninterrupted view that lets in significantly more light. For homes in New Orleans, where shaded porches and overhangs are common architectural features, picture windows help balance indoor brightness without relying heavily on artificial lighting. This results in a naturally illuminated home that feels open, welcoming, and connected to the outdoors. Creating brighter, more inviting living spaces. Dark or poorly lit rooms can feel cramped and uninviting, even in spacious homes. Large picture windows instantly change that by opening up the visual space. Living rooms, dining areas, and even bedrooms feel larger and more comfortable when natural light is allowed to spread freely. In New Orleans homes, many of which feature historic designs or deep floor plans, picture windows can dramatically improve interior brightness. They help highlight architectural details, enhance interior colors, and create a warm atmosphere that reflects the city's relaxed, lively character. Enhancing views and indoor-outdoor connection. Beyond light, picture windows offer another major benefit: stunning views. Whether overlooking lush gardens, charming streets, or serene backyards, these windows frame the outdoors like a piece of living art. This connection to nature can make daily life more enjoyable, especially in a city known for its greenery and unique neighborhoods. For homeowners who value entertaining or simply enjoying quiet moments at home, large picture windows create a seamless visual transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. The result is a home that feels more open, peaceful, and harmonious. Energy efficiency without sacrificing comfort. Many homeowners worry that larger windows may lead to heat gain, especially in New Orleans' warm and humid climate. Modern picture windows are designed to address this concern. High-quality glass options help control heat transfer while still allowing natural light to enter. By reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day, picture windows can also contribute to energy savings. Rooms stay brighter longer, lowering electricity usage and creating a more sustainable home environment, all without compromising comfort. A timeless upgrade that adds value. Installing large picture windows isn't just about aesthetics, it's an investment in your home. Homes filled with natural light are highly appealing to buyers and renters alike. Bright interiors, expansive views, and modern window designs can increase both perceived and actual property value. In New Orleans, where homes often blend historic charm with modern updates, picture windows offer a timeless upgrade. They complement both classic and contemporary designs, making them a versatile choice for homeowners looking to improve comfort and style. A brighter way to enjoy your home. Large picture windows offer New Orleans homeowners a simple yet powerful way to enhance natural light, improve ambiance, and enjoy the beauty of their surroundings. By brightening interiors, opening up views, and creating a more inviting atmosphere, these windows help homes feel more alive, just like the city itself. If you're looking to transform your living space and make the most of New Orleans' natural light, large picture windows may be the perfect solution.